Hey guys, Minchi Unit here. What? Coming at you with some goodies that I got from local store here. I don't know what these are. Donatella's and her sweet friend. I got one of these because they're kind of fucking expensive, $8 each. Got one of those. Got two of these ones. The little unicorns. This is what you can get. Oop, no, wrong side. Wrong side. This is ones that you can get. You can get a nice, two chasers. You can get. I really want this one, the Adios one, but whichever ones that we get, we get. I also got, another one. So I got two of those. Fucking adorable. And then I got one of these little dudes. I don't know who these are. A little expensive. Kappa Toys was the place I got it from. But you can get these little lonely... Oh, come on. You get these little lonely guys. Kind of lonely. I really want this one right here. Just because that's how I feel right now. And this is their... I guess you also get some stickers too when you buy stuff there. So that's pretty cool. You get little Kappa Toy stickers. Little cute stuff. Also, I got today, we'll open those up in another video because they just look so nice and pretty. There's this place here in Vegas called the Dark Side. Yeah, it's like Dark Side Gaming. I got one pack of Bang Dreams just because they had a nice little deal going on. Then I got 6 packs Persona 5. Finally found them. Then I got a box for Persona 5. The box was only $65. Can you believe that? $65. Everywhere else, it's running about, like $80-something each, whatever. I mean, look inside here. We got the bus. We got Sue. We got the guy, Igor. And we got, what's his name again? What was his name? God, I need to play this game again. He's like, I think Akechi or something. So this would be my first big box to get. I'll open up that one later. Right now, we will open up these. We'll open up these 6 first. This one will open up in another video, and then those 4 will open up in another video. Right now, we'll do some code cards. I feel really good today, so we'll do like 4. We'll do 2 now, and then 2 later on. Let's see what we got. We got Shining Legends. I think I got like a booster box of this. And another Shining Legends. And the other 2 are Shining Legends as well. So let's see what we got here. Well, we'll start off with the bang. We'll start off with the bang. I don't know what Bang Dream is. I think it's like a music anime again. I don't know what the pools are like for this one. I didn't see on one of those like TCG games or TCG whatever ones are. But let's see what we got. We got yesterday's events. Reliable Elder Sister. Shy Girl. Real Feelings. Girl, I know what you're going through right now. On Stage. Ooh, this is a nice one. Just because I'm a total perv. Let's take a look at this. Yeah, that's awesome. We'll put that one to the back because I'm so pervy. Alright, so for our... I think this is our rare. Ooh, it's a double rare. It's a hollow. It's very it is a hollow, but it's hard to see. Like there's like see where the blue is? You got some like, you know, crystals and stuff. So it is a hollow. Here's what she does. If we can get it zoomed up. That's what she does. Oh, she combos off with somebody. Saya, you don't say. And then for the event card, we just got a double common. I guess that's what it's called. We Are Poppin' Party. I believe that is this band. I think that's their group. Is she in that group? I'm assuming it's her. So that's cool. Got a little something something. That looked like a pretty fun. Oh, and then here's a code card. Shining Legends. Alright. Put these cards to the side. I had to get a trash bag or some sort of something here. Alright, Persona 5. Now we all know it's like the main character with the Joker and his persona is like the $270 card. Probably went down, I don't know, but I really want somebody. You got your swimsuit protagonist. You got Haru, it's a deal. You got Morgana as Mona. You got Yosuke. You got Anna as Panther. Swimsuit Futaba. I wish it was the full swimsuit. Ooh, and we got Mako as Queen. Makoto as Queen. Oh, it's just a regular rare. But look at that. Now that foil is something worth. And then we got the event card. The climax card is a finisher for Mona. Hopefully we can get all the finishers by the end of this series. But I actually like those. I like the event or the climax cards in this series just because it's actually like they're all out attack type thing when they do it. Alright. So we got Sai, another swimsuit protagonist. Ooh, Mementos. Yosuke is Fox. Futaba is the Oracle. That's not shiny. I want a shiny one of Futaba. Futaba is the best. Oh, nice. We got triple rare all out. Or, what's his face? Climax card. Freaking boring. And don't come back. Oh man, that is wicked. It is foil. It's got a texture on it. It's got some kind of texture. Oops. And I just threw that on the floor. This is the other card. Another Futaba card. Forget them. But yeah, there's a nice texture on this card. Love it. Love it. That's awesome. We'll see how much that is. I'll post it on Instagram once I make one. Alright. This one was a huge pain to try to get out. See, we got Kechi, the little detective. Got Prosecutor, Futaba, it's a deal. Yosuke is Fox. Wow, they actually made him into a card. Oops. Calling card. It's just a normal. Okay, and we got Anna's Panther, which is just a normal rare. Look at that. And then we didn't really get her climax card, but you know what? I'll take this. But we got hers. That's still pretty boss. I'll take it. 2 more packs to go. This one and another. Alright, let's see what this one is. So we got Swimsuit Protagonist. Damn, I love that guy. It's a deal. It's a deal. Oh, we got the gun merch. And we got another calling card. Justine. Oh, and we got Makoto as her own character. It's just a holo rare. Still nice, still pretty. At least we got both of her. And then we got Yo, I'm ready. Blast him away as Kid, Captain Kid. That's cool. That's just a normal. The rares in this set is just amazeballs. I love it. I love the set that they use for it. Alright. So we got Yuki. We got the Metaverse Navigator. They made him into a card. We got Igor. Justine. Wild Talk. Ooh, and we got Futaba. Yeah. Oh, and we got the Justice Has Prevailed. That's a cool one. I like those cards. But look at this Futaba. Look at her. Look at that smile. Look at that cookie smile. Wonderful. It's a double rare. Thief Net. Taba is Oracle. Man, she is beautiful. And that glare. Alright, cool. So let's see what all we got. Put away the normal cards. I'll have to sort those out later. Those are just 2 Climax. We got Anna's Panther. Or Anna's Panther. Futaba's the Oracle. Makoto. Got the All Out. Or not All Out. The little finisher move for God, I keep wanting to say Broske, but it's not Broske. Makoto as Queen. That is just both of those are just single rares. And then we got double rare Saya. And then just this hot card. Just lovely. Alright. Another little code card at the end. Boom, there you go. Shining Legends again. Thank you for watching. I will open up this next time. Get this big ass box out of the way. I'm going to open up this in increments because there are... How many card packs are in here? There's 8 cards per pack. Blah, blah, blah. How many cards are inside here? There are... I think there's like 20 packs? Yeah. 20 packs of cards. So, we will open that next time. And maybe I'll do 5 packs at a time. Maybe I'll probably try to do 5 packs at a time. Keep these videos short. Thanks for watching. These cute bastards right here. Series 6. I'm going to open up these next time. And I'll open up that next time. Take care, everybody. Bye. Menchie Unit signing out. What?